Yay! Ang kapoy mga husband ko ba? Welcome to the flood control here in Buhang area, guys. Guys, here we are sa may flood control sang Buhang. The ILOILO Flood Control Project is a project of the Department of Public Works and Highways in Iloilo City, Philippines. The project aims to reduce flood damage which has been an almost yearly occurrence here in our city. This is one of the flood control here located in Buhang, Haro, Iloilo. Every time we pass by this area, I was really attracted to this Buhang flood control, so I asked myself, so now if I can drop by and see the latest situation of this flood control. Guys, ka very nice kisang view diri sa may Buhang dike. Sa Buhang dike. Kanami gid. Guys, manaog ta di sa dike, nakita nyo niyo, manaog ko di sa dike. Are di tayo, oh, dire. Ayo, makadtuman ko da. Oo. Okay, mga panaog kita sa dike. Grabe nga exploration aton. Okay, guys. Ari na ta de. Ari. Wow! Pwede tadi ka swimming sa dike sang Buhang. Flood control. Lang galit da madalom ang tubig, guys. Do suba lang gid siya. Suba lang gid. Nice. Wow, kanami isang view. Nag-tour lang ko di sa may dike. Kagka namin na sang init. Naga-sundown na ang init. So, daw lapit na gid siya mag-sunset. So, very nice place man siya kung gusto mo mag-witness ang sunset. Okay? Lakad kita, guys. Ara. Amo na siya tayong flood control nga natawag tayo. Inang daw simento. Okay. Amo na, guys, ang ginatawag nga flood control.
Are, kamay tawag ang flood control.
Dentay?
Are.
Basi mano kada ha, hindi kada. Ma-shoot ka gito karon, dalom to daan niya oh. Ay nako ka, tigaman ulo sang bana ko ah. Ay nako. Yes. Anamon guys, duwa na kami ni partner ko. Partner in crime. Kita nyo guys. Party akong bodyguard. Model sang suba. Okay. Ning kita na tayo makato. Okay. Sige. Hoy, nadlo ko dito basi maano ko. Kay ba mo guys, suara na una no, tama ka ano.
It's very steep.
Kay kung matiphag bala guys, matiphag.
Yes. Because you're heavy.
Okay, ari na. Ay, ka-cute galit tayo no, in a closer look no. Wow. Wow.
Come.
Okay guys, ari pagi kuno kam-kam. O kam-kam.
Okay, shall we?
Okay. Ay, hindi ko rin makadtuto. No. Di, paano kita makadtuto? Hindi ko yung kabalo na magsaka.
Hindi ka ba lumasa?
Hindi mag ko kabalo manaog. Hindi gid ko tayo no. May fear gid ko sa height, hindi.
First height? There's no height in her. It's only low.
Sige, picture lang ko di tayo. Hindi na. No need
I will
na
go there. And then I will get this video over here at the center of the ocean. And also that dam.
Oh, yes.
The biggest dam in the world.
Amo ni akong backup guys sa vlog ko ako nasman. Okay.
Look
okay
over
guys.
there.
Look over there.
Too much water.
Yes.
As big as the ocean.
Hoy, no. Tuod tay bala hindi ba? Mo hindi man tay hindi ay. Guys, about the flood control here in Buhang, Haro. Daw mga ano kami sa kagubatan, no mga ano kita tay?
Amazonian.
Oo. Guys, you see how stiff the ano? Just like in Baguio. Yeah, it's just like in Baguio. Oh, I go up here tay, hindi ko da nadlo ko diri na lang kuya.
Go over there, baby.
Okay. Bye. And that's it, guys. Guys, I'll go this way. Kaya nahadlok ko da iya sa husband ko mag-agi. So dire ko ya sa may ari guys, oh, nan. Ara, oh.
Go over there.
You also want to go over there?
Me, baby.
Okay.
Go over there.
And guys, here I am! Yahoo! Beautiful view, tatay! Yay!
Me, baby.
Yay! And kapoy, mga minasban ko ba? Okay,
Yeah,
that's
it's a
it,
great
guys.
Adventure.
Yeah! Yay!
Pwede kita to mag-go.
Go. It's a great adventure ended. See you guys in our next vlog. Guys, next is the Buhang flyover. We will go there and check the latest situation of Buhang flyover with my husband. The very ever supportive husband. See? Supportive na ako na husband.